We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. It's all about the young police from Jamaica. See Young Police Channel. Big up yourself. Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of.
If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside this description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police Channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you will see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and you know, we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, today I'm going to listen to a Jamaican, a patriotic Jamaican, a man who see the signs what is happening in Jamaica right now after the election. Although some people are celebrating the victory of Dr. Andrew Michael Wellness, which is good, but in reality, Jamaica, the problem is just begun for the Prime Minister and the Jamaican people, law-abiding citizens. So we have two groups of people in Jamaica. We have one that is for the criminals and one for law-abiding citizens. The good thing is that the law-abiding citizens outnumber the criminals. And the ones who do not vote in Jamaica, please do not complain about anything, crime or anything. Just shut your damn mouth. Because you did not do anything to stop the criminals them from re-entering our parliament. Jamaica is in more trouble now, more than ever. The third term is not going to be easy because the Prime Minister is surrounded by criminals in the parliament. We'll reach a point here because Michael Manley, for the past 53 years, Michael Manley and the British have done an exceptional job desensitizing our people and normalizing criminality in Jamaica. The killing of Lana, Nicky Robertson, that didn't faze the people from re-electing Julian Robinson, killing the woman for the speaking. I am sitting here as a man who was born and raised in Iberia Beast, and I can tell you that in all of my life, you know, reading through history and stuff like that, and realizing that sometimes, you know, people, especially, sometimes people need authoritarian leaders, you know, we say dictators, because the only way to really bring back Jamaica, because democracy, sometimes democracy don't really work, because people don't think. So that's why you have some nation where people, you have to literally, you know, like you have a country like Japan, where the people them are educated, Singapore, Or people them, you have a segment of people them not read. So my fellow so I want you're going to hear a conversation with a man. I'm not going to break it up in a series or anything like that, because I thought that, my work, I'm so passionate about Jamaica. Although I'm not living in Jamaica, that, after this election things would be. But man, so many things have happened since the election. And people, why don't go live? You're not sitting in my chair. The things that are coming to me, and wow, it is just sad what is happening to my fellow Jamaicans and Jamaican people. I am a Jamaican by birth. I cannot change that. No matter where, a pig born in our plane is still a pig. So no matter where I live, I'm still a Jamaican. So my fellow Jamaicans, so as I say, I'm going to make you listen to a caller. I might do a live tomorrow. It all depends. I'll start the live. You have to understand that I have a family too, and Jamaica has been literally take over my life. When we say I am so passionate about my country, because I have seen so many lives being destroyed growing up, and to this day I speak for people who cannot speak because they are dead. But not even, and you know that even with the onslaught of attack and criminality, I can tell you this. I hate criminals with a passion. When I say that, I say it without any apologies. I hate them with a passion. I don't like criminal or criminal-minded people. You have some people that I have known from I was growing up. I don't want nothing to do with them. Nothing. Once you're a criminal-minded person and sympathetic to criminals, I don't want anything to do with you. Nothing. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I do believe in redemption. But once you're telling me that, no, I don't want nothing to do with you. So my fellow Jamaicans, let's face the truth, without flinching, without denial, without excusing this, Jamaica has crossed a line from which there may be no return. We have elevated to Parliament not a servant of the people, not a man of virtue, not a man of clean hands, but Isaac Buchanan, a twice convicted cocaine dealer, Rear Admiral, a Timan. The world says Jamaica is the most homophobic country on earth. So now, can you tell me now in 2025, when the world, every Jamaican known, because Isaac Buchanan never hide that he's a Rear Admiral, mean that he's a gay guy, he's happy. And not only that, him not give it, him take it. Round there. And Jamaicans vote for him. So to all of you liars, Jamaicans for justice and NIA propagandists, now explain to the world how them elect a twice convicted cocaine dealer and a big Rear Admiral, Timan Isaac Buchanan. Tell them now, so Jamaica homophobic. And Isaac Buchanan is not the first Rear Admiral for the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. You have Raymond Price. And nobody expect that Isaac Buchanan would win in Portland, but you have to understand that when people are corrupt, once you're corruptible, it's easy for people to corrupt them. So let that sink in. A man who trafficked in poison, who helped spread addiction and death in our communities, now sit in the halls of power, making laws that govern you and your children, the law-abiding citizens. Criminals, a convicted criminal is now, well, the PMP is always a criminal organization. So this is not just politics. This is not just an election result. This is the clearest sign that Jamaica has become a criminal's paradise. So you can't tell me nothing. The poisonous symbol. Make no mistake, Buchanan is not an isolated case. He's a symbol. A symbol that in Jamaica crime pays. A symbol that you can break the law, destroy lives, serve prison time, then walk proudly into Parliament to dictate law and justice. and are more terrifying. This is the same man linked by whispers and allegations to the mysterious killing of American billionaire Jack Newster. Not Isaac Buchanan. Yes, not Isaac Buchanan. A man by the name of Ian Eales. Ian Eales, yes, when he was the member of parliament in Hanover, yes, he was able to get 2 men to kill John from information received and obtained. The American billionaire John Euster. We'll come out with that because, trust me, I tell you, say the PNP is a criminal organization. So that's why you see Mark Golding went down to the man's property and says that land, after the man buy him land, the American man, John Euster, buys land, him say, no, people forget it. So ask yourself, what message are we sending to the world? What message are we sending to our children? That if you can lie, cheat and kill, you can rise to the top? So let us not stop there, because Isaac Buchanan, Ian Eales are only 2 chapters in this bloody book. Julian Robinson, behind the killing of Lorna Nikki Robertson, a mother, a woman, a life snuffed out, not because of fate or sickness, but because of politics soaking blood. Michael Phillips, man at the center of a double murder of Treddy and another innocent man during the general election against Joe Ebert. And these are not isolated stories. These are part of a long chain of history where politics and bloodshed go on and on. This is not leadership. This is not governance. This is a blood cult dressed in orange shirts, seeking power through fear, intimidation, and death. But pause for a moment. Let us reflect. How did we get here? We cannot just point fingers at politicians. The truth is, the people voted for them. The people opened the door and welcomed them into our garden house for 15 grand. Here, a promise. There, a false smile and speeches. They sold not just their votes, but their future. And when people choose criminals to rule them, what does that make the country? It makes the country itself an accomplice. It's made the country complicit in its own destruction. Fear what to come next? And now, my brothers and sisters, let me paint the nightmare of what come next. If today a twice convicted cocaine dealer is in parliament, if today men linked to murder of leaders in government, then tomorrow, why should Christopher Dudusco not run for parliament when he's deported back to Jamaica? What law, what moral authority, what shred of credibility would stop him? And if Dudus were to run in Kingston 12, Jonestown, or Concrete Jungle, would he not win? You know the answer. Yes, he will, because he's a criminal. Jamaicans, people who are of PNP mindset, they are pro-criminals. Because Jamaica has already proven they are willing to crown criminals as kings and lawmakers. And when that day comes, when Dons openly sit in parliament, do not say it was sudden. Do not say it was unexpected. It is the path we are already on. And what about the world? Do you know what foreign investors see when they look at Jamaica now? They see corruption institutionalized. They see killers celebrated. They see criminals making laws. Tourists will think twice. Investors will pull back. The hard-working diaspora will hang their heads in shame, unable to defend a homeland that has given up on morality. Jamaica's reputation as a land of wood and water has been destroyed. Now we are known as a land of drugs, guns, and criminal lawmakers. But perhaps the most damning part of all is not the politicians, not even the dons. It is the silence. The silence. Where are the church leaders that tell you that these people are fake like a $3 bills. Where are the intellectuals? They are all criminals. Where are the civic groups that claim to stand for justice? Silence, because they are for the destruction of the country, because it suits them financially. They are silent. Silent while the criminals are elevated to power. Silent while blood cries from the ground. Silent while Jamaica burns. And their silence is betrayal. Betrayal of the people. Betrayal of God. Betrayal of every child who deserves a future. So when I say Jamaica is homophobic, that's a lie. I know that. I have worked with a guy who's a big rear admiral. We know that Kirk Palmer, he was shot with me in Riverton City. 5 shots to the left side of his chest. If I was homophobic, I would not use my 5 fingers, my palm of my hands to put over his wounds to stop the blood, to reduce the flow of the blood. Blood up my hand, my clothes, got the blood spray on my clothes. And then after helped him, place him in a police car, and then went after the men who shot him. I was there. And I was there to deliver justice to Juan and Tony. A man, last man standing from the Natty Morgan gang in Riverton City. That was in 1997, February. You can go check the archives. So what we must do, we must not shrug our shoulders. We must not say, I saw it go. We must not normalize this descent into hell. We must expose the truth. We must educate the youth. We must demand accountability. We must refuse to glorify criminals, whether they wear a gunman's rag or a politician's suit. Because if we remain silent, Jamaica will descend fully into darkness. And then what happens? There will be no coming back. You see what happened in Haiti? You think that happened overnight? It was the little things like this. The PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. Oh, because you have to understand that most of these people, I've tried my very best, and it seemed like you're going to listen to this man. So my brothers and sisters, Jamaica has elevated a twice convicted court dealer into parliament. Men linked to murder walk freely into Garden House, and people who put them there celebrate as if this is progress. But it is not progress, it is death of morality. It is the burial of justice. It is the coronation of crime. If we do not resist, if we do not wake up, then tomorrow our children will grow up in a Jamaica where dons are lawmakers, killers are ministers, and Parliament is nothing more than a criminal's paradise. And when that day come, who will save Jamaica then? No one. There will be no one there to save Jamaica, because Jamaica will be doomed. But those of us who are willing to fight for it will continue like yours truly. So now I want you to listen to this caller. This man is not afraid, just as yours truly. How many times them came kill once? We have seen where the people them sold out Jamaica, just like how them sold out Marcus Garvey. Black people run behind a man who benefit from slavery. But it goes to show you the mindset of these people. That's why Marcus Garvey says not every black people you can take with you, you know. Some of them you have to leave them behind. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Yes, I am really sad to see what is happening to my country. I can't believe. Well, Jamaica.
And you owners preach like a Paul, and the people them still not get the message, my vision.
Well, yeah, you know, Jamaican people are some weird people, you know. You understand? Jamaicans, you have to understand, there's no bottom that's left. When they come on to the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, there's no bottom. You understand? Look here.
As per I said, the center cannot hold.
Yes, well, I had warned them before. There's no honest criminal. I have never met an honest criminal in my entire life. And the prime minister him help contribute to this problem too, because he might listen to some criminal around him. Men who are sympathetic to criminal like Dr. Orius Chang and Delroy Chuck. That's why we have Isaac Buchanan. Isaac Buchanan should not know them. This I don't believe in expunging people criminal record. Especially people who commit certain crimes. Like assault will be somebody in a fight. We're not talking about using a knife and cut somebody. The only kind of crime where you can get people you expunge them record like assault, OBM. Nothing after that. See the man. The man named Orius Chang now. I say he more of expunge the criminal record at the drug mule. 99% of the drug mule are PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporters. People who want to get rich. You understand? They don't want to work. That's the problem we have. You understand what I'm saying? So the Prime Minister.
It's easy, and because him witness all them deal with homeless, and even him himself who contribute to the cutting down of the crime. All them demonize him, and him should have be them biggest enemy. I understand.
Well, you have to look here. If you are not corrupt, nobody can corrupt you. It's just simple as that.
Precisely.
All the PMP could not corrupt me, and them try so hard to corrupt me. Them do all kind of things. All kind of things to my channel where them have them people where a YouTube took down all my videos. Them do all kind of things to my channel. You understand? And them still couldn't stop me from produce content that expose them. But the people them do everything to make sure them shadow ban the channel.
Yeah.
Because everything that I have said to the people is the truth. You cannot. There's no honest. I have never met an honest criminal in my life, and I have never met an honest liar. No, hey,
none that exists, my bad.
None. Well, whether or not you want to believe it, you think what is going to happen with this man? Isaac Buchanan is going to be a thorn in this cup, because look here, the promises them Isaac Buchanan makes to the people them at Portland, and promise them to give them free land and all of them things there. You understand? Remember, say Michael Manley never give them no free land, What the PMP has been promoting is criminality, and then just come on Island and take it and say I feed them. This is the first you're going to hear this. You see the brother named Ian Eels, that member of parliament. Ian Eels killed a white he hired 2 men from information received allegedly. Hired 2 men from Hanover when he was MP Hanover and killed a white man, a white American female in a Jamaica. That I see him land where you say I don't remember the man name Arthur now, because I got all of the information, because I had spoken to one of the men in a custody were charged with the murder. One of them girlfriend, and she said, boy, them are kill him because him hired them for him. He's the one who hired the men them for kill the white man from America. You understand? So all of these things, you think are nice people them. Julian Robinson. Look here, Julian Robinson. May I show you all the people them are some hey, look here. I whole heap of work this go and I doubt him I get to do it, because first we have to start teach ethics, honesty and truthfulness in our school. You understand? The PMP not gonna want that, because ethics and start reward the kids them for all of them thing that for change the heart and mind of the kids them. You know, see, look, we have to teach that have to be taught in school. The PMP, the PMP job, is to destroy Jamaica, the mind of the Jamaican people, and them love it, because the people them love the criminality, You understand?
I realize. You'd have seen them endorse Vibes Cartel. You remember that? Yeah,
you understand what I'm saying? Isaac Buchanan, them say Jamaican, the same PMP, tell the world say we homophobic, and the Jamaican people them elect a man, PJ Patterson, the black thief, for 3 consecutive term. You understand? 3 consecutive term, and this man never lived with a woman yet. And it is rumored that this man is the biggest rear admiral and T-man we have at Jamaica. And Jamaican people vote for him.
Yes, and that's why we end up with the name Chichi Boss.
Yeah, Chichi man, yeah. You understand? Isaac Buchanan, may I show you them licky. Isaac Buchanan, everybody knows Isaac Buchanan is a big T-man and rear admiral. Isaac Buchanan is HIV positive. And you see the same black people them were clear. Isaac Buchanan tell them say they look like monkey. Isaac Buchanan tell the black people them and then vote for him. That for sure you say you can't shame shameless. Them are people these are people where the more you insult them the more them gravitate to you. Imagine the man Isaac Buchanan tell black people say they look like monkey. I never do any video about him and them thing because I expect say just by him say them like monkey. Isaac Buchanan call them monkey. That me say so that's supposed and based on how the woman work. No sir.
Yeah.
You understand? But remember, you know, history teaches us a dangerous lesson, you know. When government when criminals, you know, enter government, you know, violence become law and law becomes violence, you know. You know, so Pablo Escobar, you know, that's the Colombian one of the most dangerous drug dealer, you know. At one time, you know, Pablo Escobar was in the parliament of Colombia, you know. You didn't know that?
Really no, never know.
Yes, man. Pablo Escobar years ago, he was in Colombia in a parliament and he built houses. You understand? When Escobar entered parliament in Colombia, he built schools and houses. But behind the smiles, he unleashed death on thousands of Colombians. So Jamaica is now celebrating his own version of Escobar walking into Garden House. Isaac Buchanan is going to... Which criminal you know love law and order?
None.
Okay, the PMP is the criminal organization. You understand?
Yes, man.
Look here, maybe the only thing I'm going to save Jamaica because maybe we have to go use is a dictatorship we have to go do then because them people you know, sometimes free will you know really work on them thing there. Because we cannot we're gonna be the laughing stock of the world now. We have a twice convicted criminal court leader as a member of a past law. We're in a
so let me ask you a $1 million question.
Yes.
A and a B, me I go ask you. First thing, how you strong as the Minister of National Security and Delroy Chuck? Those men couldn't be a thorn in his flesh. The fact that there's a criminal record is there to chase him out of parliament.
Hey, look here. They are not going to do anything. Remember, I said they are the one that facilitate and create this road for the man, you know. They are the one. You see, Delroy Chuck never see a criminal and him never like it, you know. In case you do not know it. I mean, true. Hey, look here. You have a boy. Look here. You know, when people are going to say me bias and them thing, they don't watch the channel, you know. Delroy Chuck never see a murderer where him never like, you know. You have a boy with upper grand spin, you know. Where Renita Adams them kill and rob him, you know. Name Andrew Pang.
Oh.
Andrew Pang did kill a police. Andrew Pang did kill General Starkey's daughter when a police in Karen Tingling. And you understand? Yes. And Delroy Chuck write eulogy about Andrew Pang and glorify him, say him a good man and all them thing. That man a kill police.
How can you really say to my version?
It's on the Jamaica Young Police channel. So when people are going to say, boy, me a labor right on them thing, they mean it. No, look here, me just speak the truth. Delroy, I am not a fan. I am not a fan of Delroy Chuck from a long time. Delroy Chuck don't like police. Delroy Chuck love criminals. You understand? Right. So Delroy Chuck is one of them one. Look here, Delroy Chuck is one of them who hell bent on for destroy Jamaica too. You can't. This expungement thing, them need to rescind it because Jamaica keeps sending a peer criminal. Jamaica are sending all over the world. You cannot trust the fingerprint record that's coming out of Jamaica because of these people that clean it. You can't.
Too many curry favors.
I don't curry favor. Too much criminals. We're electing criminals. We're electing criminals and expect criminals to be honest. There's no honest criminal.
If Andrew Pong never killed the Kentucky man, them won't get rid of him.
Yes. Oh, you attack which Kentucky man you attack? The man, the businessman you attack?
Yeah, from KFC. No, him say kill him at the stoplight.
Oh, true, them in the extort him. And the moon pay the extortion money.
Yeah. I saw them decide to get rid of him now, you know. But me never know him do all of them there before. What you said to me?
Yeah, man, PJ practice that. Them time, you understand. But the man when them killing me police, they rob him too, you know. But you know who which other another criminal that was there with him that morning, them let him go, you know. I know, another criminal that was in his I don't remember the other criminal name, you know. I'll have to talk to a policeman in name, one policeman named Brown. Brown was there the morning, and he can expound on it, and you understand. I don't remember the name of the other criminal that was there. But them after Renita and them kill him, then they all rob him. Then they all rob Andrew Pong money and coke and them thing that too, you know.
Wow.
You understand? But Delroy Chuck, them man, them they are there to dismantle, destroy the system. You understand? They are not there for law and order, you know. Delroy Chuck.
So the truth is, if Andrew always want to go 100%, him still have obstacles in a circle.
Yeah, of course. You understand? You think? Hey, look here. When you see Delroy Chuck on the floor in a parliament, and he's him attack tough man crime, and his word that, you know, the words that he start is the word that Delroy Chuck is using, you know. It's not his words, you know. Those are from the Prime Minister, and I can't tell you this. Yeah. Whether or not you want to believe it, Andrew Wellness used to be sympathetic to criminals too, you know. May I tell you that, you know. At the murder, them will start going, yes, because Andrew Wellness used to talk about human rights, you know. Any politician you talk about human rights, a criminal, they might talk about it. They might talk about the law-abiding citizens. It's when he become Prime Minister and in a second term now, and he realize that these boys are some heartless criminals. More or less, you know. You see him wife? Him wife, I've never met Andrew Wellness or him wife, but his wife, women play a crucial role in men's life, you know. And as she, me have to ask, you know. As she went in on the pillow at night time, you know. As she talks sense into him, you know. Andrew Wellness used to be sympathetic to criminals like Delroy Chuck and those people. You understand? Yeah. He has evolved and grown up because, and you understand what I'm saying? Now, he must find a way how to prevent this man from not to take the water office. Isaac Buchanan and discredit him, and them have to make certain say them have to, this thing about this expungement of criminal record, it have to stop. Them have to stop it on them thing there. You understand? We can't have.
You know what I ask you? The boy that will kill the father and the son of Philip really at 23 or 24, where they when they supposed to assassinate the Prime Minister, and then they refuse to Philippines out there. Where the father and the son name when they murder?
Oh, yeah, that Mandez and his son.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mandez.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Maybe just see right now, Chris, where I don't really care. Because I'm not afraid of it, I'm not afraid of it.
Don't go one thing you can do.
Okay, no. I may do 2 videos upon it, you know. Same like, and I must tell you that is half of what you inform me about. But I can remember Mendes' name.
Mandez.
So may I make it clear to the public, say, watch out. The Prime Minister in real life, those 2 men are rich. He needs to go visit them. Because them take the bullet for him.
Yeah. But,
You agree with me?
yeah. But look here. All right, you see, may I agree with you some. Well, look here.
Mm.
When it come on to the violence and them thing, with the killing, with the boy when him Wapper will kill Mandez and him son.
Mm-hmm.
Me no remember this. Me no remember his son name right now, often. You know, because
Yeah,
but me remember Mandez. Cause me talk to Mandez brother. But may I tell you this now, whether or not you want to believe it. You see, alright, Mandez, the killing of Mandez, you know, Mandez set up John Dixon, you know. May I tell you this now? John Dixon not supposed to be there when them killed John Dixon, you know. All of these things were arranged by Philip Parallel and Danai Williams. And them set up the killing, you know.
Wow.
They are the architect and the mastermind behind the killing. Mandez, you know. The boy Wapper, you know. So if you understand, so Jamaica is a criminal paradise, you know.
Paradise, yeah.
Yeah. Mandez now, what happened now with Mandez? Mandez did not know that he was going to die too, you know. Him and his son. It was John Dixon, so it was planned between Philip Parallel and Danai Williams. So they were able. Mandez, you know, the boy. Mandez did get. Can we get information and pass it on, you know, to Mandez? Say, boy, the boy are killing, you know. You know, based on one and two little things. Him now with him full. Yeah, man. Him with him full self gonna ask the boy. Yeah, me no remember him son name often now, and the son and Mandez asked the boy, say, boy, me you say you want to the boy said, nah man, I'm to do that and all them thing there.
Like him expect to get a yes.
No, I'm a dummy, man. The dummy, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dummy. You know, you understand?
Sure.
So I saw them lick him with them thing there. Mandez know what Mandez did now. Mandez trick the brother when named John Dixon, because it was John Dixon, you know, that's supposed to kill John Dixon, you know. You understand? John Dixon alone is supposed to dead because Danai Williams and Philip Parler, they had planned with Mandez, cause Mandez, you know, say Mandez was Tony Brown driver, that Angela Brown Burke's father. So they had planned with him. They had planned with Mandez, for Mandez scare John Dixon go up there and make them kill him. But them never did know said they were a part that they you know that they may not kill him too. You understand?
Oh, and that's why you agree with me to an extent.
Yes.
I see your point.
Yeah, you understand.
Oh, okay.
So it was a
so him getting bullet where him deserve.
Yes, you understand, because the thing is that now him Mandez now they are so him not betray John Dixon, you know. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because they want to get rid of John Dixon, so them plan and so them plan for kill John Dixon and the two other youth and them thing there. But Mandez and him son never did know, so they were gonna get killed too. Cause Mandez rich, you know. Mandez get a whole heap of money in America, you know. You understand? You know, see it. So him come back and spend. You understand? And him they want to unite the place, but you understand?
There's no unity within inner city, my brother.
No, man. Hey, look here. PMP and a whole of them thing there. You have to understand, you know. You will just feed them and them kill you, you know. Me know that for your fuck, you know. You understand?
So what me tell you, say me have family where they are like enemy to me because they are PMP.
No,
so
man.
Did I believe me?
Of course we believe it, you know? Then look for me, you know. Me a family where I'll denounce if say me and them are a family. Yeah. Me a family where me and them, where them tell people say me and them are nothing. Me and a family. The only thing left for them say boy them that say adapt me and them thing then. You understand? All because I don't subscribe to them and them criminality.
I'm a reach a stage where I did me walk and see one of them and she don't on her face. And believe it, I make her go in my pocket and then remember how them think and them behavior. Me not bother man. Me not bother Garrett man. I tell you the truth.
No man. So the man the son named Cairo. Cairo supplied the boy with gun and the boy named Wappa, you know, Junior Query. So you understand? Yeah man, in Junior Query. So everywhere you go on them thing that the PMP is a criminal organization. So a man that's
we ever do so report I forget read at these. Oh, what we ever do?
Well, look here. Well, I mean, look here. The culture of criminality is so embedded in the Jamaican people. Because Michael Manley impart that to us, and it's like a disease. Look what happened in Portland. Portland, a country. Well, you have to understand, still, you know, country people used to be conservative, you know. When I was a police officer, you know, I tell you, I work a country, and as a man come off a bus, you know, somebody reach a station and I tell you, them say a man come and they don't know him, you know.
A true man.
Look what is happening. Look what happened in Portland, East Portland. You understand?
Yes.
Portland was a safest parish in Jamaica. Now, you have a criminal, a twice convicted criminal court dealer, and a big rear admiral, Isaac Buchanan, who's the member of parliament. And the prime minister, them have to go find way now for prevent him from take the water office. And them have to find somewhere. And you know that, you know. And you know that the PMP is coming out to defend him because the Prime Minister is surrounded by so many enemies. Mark Golin, Peter Bunting, Ian Eales, Julian Robinson,
Dayton Campbell.
All of these people, all of them were plotting to kill him, you know. And these people are in a parliament now. You understand? Him can't. Well, I can't say what them are doing them thing, but these are threats to his life and the Jamaican people.
He meant to be overseas assistant because
Michael Phillips. Well, look here. You know, those of us who in our diaspora have information. You understand? And it seems like only a few of us are like only me. Like it seems like only me alone. I am the only person who really, really fight for Jamaica per se. You know what I'm saying? I may get the most fight.
You know why me call you, me keep in touch with you? Let me tell you this.
Yes.
And today the 4th?
Today 5th.
Today 5th. Listen to me good. And Martin Luther King alone fighting in battle. And when I say him alone, the people who behind him, they were followers. But him alone in my judgment fought his battle. Martin Luther King. And he won. And listen to me good now. As I say, why me call you? I am relying on you. Why? Because I know you can do it. You have the guts to do it. You have tangible evidence, material fact. And I am telling you that you can make a difference in Jamaica. And you're working over until it's over. And me, I rely upon you. Me, Michael Gardner, I rely upon you. But I'm telling you the truth, me take my country very serious, and when I go on, me take it serious. And when I tell you, say, me have family when I not deal with, I am very personal. Me look on somebody since week, and I tell them, say, look here, where this election is concerned, and where Jamaica is concerned, I am very personal. I make here zero who want to look at me in a different way. I am very personal when it comes to where I'm going in Jamaica right now. Because we're in a serious trouble in the region. We need a new paradigm shift, brother.
True.
I mean, I ask you, Chris Porter, you have material fact, you have evidence, you have the American government right behind you, and your work not over. Just I tell you that. Your work just begin. Because the man them reaching a parliament, eh? We have to do something about it, brethren. Me not afraid, and me know you're not afraid. You understand? We need to do something about it, brethren. We have to find some way from bar these men from take the oath, as you say. You understand? Right, brethren, why me I tell you the truth? Me only happy that them not get the full
to become the government, to form the government.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
Yeah. I am happy, but at the same time, I am very uncomfortable. Because watch this. Those 3 men are supposed to be in a parliament. Enough in there, and we have to find a way. We care zero about the people elect them. We care zero.
Mm-hmm.
There's an argument that said from all time, which a lot of them misquoted. Talking about the good suffer for the bad. There's no such thing. The good suffer with the bad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you agree with that?
True.
Yeah. Because when you allow those licky, wicked people who don't want to work to make decisions for you, then we not serious problem. And that's go on in Jamaica over the years because the people them who say them educated and now go vote, they are contributor to what go on in Jamaica too. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
When we allow people who refuse to work for what they want handout, you understand? So them choose a government based on handout, licky, wicked. I can't, man. When I live in, man, and when I live in, I hear paying people, but the place where I live in, 53 St. Joseph Road. When I live here, at 24 hours, then give it. At 24 hours, then give it. It's a dumper truck. My father have to take when I'm friend dumper truck. And before the 24 hour coming down to the night, we throw away night and the things them in the whole arena at the back of it, you know. And head for Lawrence Tavern in the machine. And 1976, you know.
PMP,
I mean, I forget them, you know.
PMP do that too, no?
Yes. I mean, I forgive them in the version.
But I'm not wrong yet. I
forgive them and forgive them in the
I don't believe something I don't believe in forgiving people like that. Them, you understand what I'm saying?
Forgive what? Forgive what? And when me live here with American Lawrence Tavern, 1977, me up a truck, come back at town, and when me walk, I'm a brave from my youth, you know, very brave. I mean, go down to St. Joseph for 1977, go look for it. See the people them. I mean, I know if them did leave. You know, you live in a tenement yard and you live among some girls they go up with and they're like family to you.
Yeah.
I went back and I look for them. I never find them. I mean, ask question. I mean, here, say them are selling a Coronation Market. I went to Coronation Market and look for them. I find the eldest girl. Yeah, and she said, boy, we leave our shortly after only, you know. Yeah. Yes. We could never believe a PMP going way out. You hear me I tell you? We escape it within hours. And when you talk, people say, yeah, labor right. You understand? And I tell them, if you want to endorse me in that way, I have no problem. Because I'm not seeing a labor right, I burn out no labor right. I'm not seeing a labor right, I burn out nobody. You understand? I only do the burning out and the slaughtering.
No man, nobody can tell me nothing about PMP. Because I'm a born and growing a PMP, everything yes. At PMP, you understand?
Yeah. First time me see where I go on. You remember Ellen's class, I will do beam kill him, roaching at the corner.
Yes, PMP, you mean attack. A PMP myself, he kill labor, right?
Jaja God.
That say anyone know that?
Him? No, I never know.
Yeah, man.
I never have a clue.
That was a political. That was
Christopher Cousins.
That was a song that that was meant for him to meant for them to kill
wow,
to kill labor rights. Yeah, so so boy, may I tell us, look, as what you say them thing, then boy, may just start on them thing. Because the brother when you Ian Eels, it from information received and obtained, it is alleged that he's the one that hired the two men that killed the businessman, the man that named John Euxter, the 49-year-old man from Wisconsin. Kill him, murder.
A white man, you say?
Yeah, a white man. Yeah, so I am not going to talk honestly, boy, I am so passionate about my country and criminality and everything that boy, it seems like my life is just consumed with Jamaica. You understand? I'd expect after this election I could have go back to normal things, but it seems like my work just started, as we say,
Yeah, just began, sir, about that. No question about that.
Well, the White House have to get involved in one of them things, because even the brother when you Michael Phillips, even him. There's you have two men in a prison in our United States. One of them reached out to me because they want to give the FBI information about him involved in that. One of a man get a couple years well. Him reached out to me. Him did same kill a woman. I want to go back to Jamaica and I'm catching my extradition and send my prison up here. And him said Michael Phillips had ordered him and another man to kill two youths up by Augustown. When I can't just remember my name as Treddy. So all of them things there, you understand? So him willing to give him willing to reach out to me, because him want to reach out to the feds about that. The PMP is a criminal organization, so you have Ian Eels who are involved in the alleged killing, the assassination of this American businessman from England, John Euxter. One of the boys were involved in a killing. One of them girlfriend reached out to me and say, she say, you understand that that is Ian Eels, because Ian Eels have guest house on the man property, so that's why I'm killing him. Yes. So when you hear them talk about squatting, the squatters have rights. That them go and put building on your land and take it away. So even that,
So him is a squatter too.
Yes, you understand. So that's why them kill the man and them thing there. The 49 year in 2004, John Euxter was a resident. You understand what I'm saying? And Lico Bay, Jamaica, them kill him.
My God. So we have to do something about this.
Yeah, them kill him. You understand?
This is not about politics. This is about Jamaica. You see? This is not no PMP, not no JLP. This is about Jamaica.
Yeah, man. This is about Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. And look here, whether or not you want to believe it, the Prime Minister never put on no front on them thing, because these people are his real enemy. Even this boy when him Alfred, me not even call him man. Alfred Dawes is his enemy too. You understand? Because
he might number one enemy for me. Yes.
You understand?
Him first come out, when PMP not power and say nurse and doctor for aware.
Yes, me tell you, and for him no that for sure say them that me tell you say when you are PMP, you're not PMP are people and are not named conscience, my brother.
Listen to me, brother. I am telling you that I hate this brother with a passion. I'm being honest. I hate this brother with a passion.
If you see how I met this beeline and join them, I was surprised because he running from Jamaica. Go Bahamas. You understand? So when I had a certain amount of respect for him then, but boy, one time when me see him jump on them,
a terrible virgin man, a terrible man that man. Man this, man. You don't make the man go near your water and your food, brother.
No, I want him can tell all of the people that are labor at Jamaica, do not go to any doctor where PMP and tell them say you're labor because they will give you a bad injection and kill you.
Precisely.
Yeah, you have to stay. You have to stay because there's some wicked people.
Already in Campbell, up at Andrews in practice, you know.
No, man. Well,
probably part time. Yeah, cause I sign him up here. He's a member of Andrews, you know.
Well, you have to stay far from them, man. PMP and a whole lot evil people, them and them thing. The only good thing will come up.
So, why? My vision.
It rough.
Me just congratulate you for your work we do for all the years. About 6 years.
6 years. 6 years, you know. Yeah, all me I try to educate the people. Them. You have you know, you can't educate fools still do it. No, you understand? The fool are gonna eat you, you know.
No, you cannot. You cannot, because me convinced that is not preach. You or me or the Prime Minister need to preach to these people. That is, we don't short of that. These people are so wicked to them very self, you know. So they won't have no remorse for you and me. Yeah, man. They want to live a parasite life.
Parasitic life. Yeah, well, that's what they imparted to them by Michael Manley.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. Parasitic life they want to live. And that's why them love the PMP. Them hate the JLP because them don't want to work.
Yes.
They don't want to work. So what me tell you, Chris Porter say, at one point in my life, me and Jamaica man was neighbor. In 1982. And if I'm going to be honest with you, me got my name from him. Because my mother, they love him. Because Michael my name. And when I meet him in 1983,
yeah.
And when I met him in 1983, I used to live at 6 Washington Drive. That is off Annette Crescent. He live at Annette Close. I mean, he live at Washington Close. And it's only him alone live from Washington Close. Washington Close, the back of my yard will drop you at Washington Close. Right time gate. So I used to jump over my little fence and go check him on the yard as a youth. Now when we are key party, we go over there for party ice. Yes, man, and if my pass the gate 10 times for the day, sometime he dip on the front, he must slow down and play me alright. And I always tell him yes, I have never begged him a dollar. And I mean I tell you some people when me see, I have never begged this man a dollar. Because for me I youth me independent. I have never begged Michael man a dollar. Every time he has me alright, I tell him yes. And it's when me become man now I start to read and me learn about him and Perkins open my eye about him. Before you
Michael Manley a Satan man.
And that's when me know said the man was a Satan.
Yeah man, Michael Manley a Satan man. PMP and a whole and devilish people them you know man.
When Perkins got my eye, me couldn't believe you know that this is the man that was so close to. Yes. His mother used to live at 8. Me live at 6. My about 4. You understand? Yeah. And me I tell you say, me no know. I read me version. Me do what Marcus Garvey say do. And me no go high school supporter. I see what all age we go on tapping. Yes, I see what I age we go on tap. And the guy can't fool me. Me only get some assistance from Grace Kennedy, shoot Douglas Owen, very good man.
In pass, you know?
No, hey, I done where he pass it.
Oh, okay.
That's what the boss say. Oh, you're a good man, because my uncle make me know him. When so Owen bought his house, me living it before him. Because we did it as, you know? Yeah. And I'm there at Grace Kennedy. And him send me back to school. When we get to school, and you know, if I build the highways prison out of Spanish Town Road, and school used to the road on Road.
Oh, stats.
Right. They Grace that send me back, you know? Yeah, man. And I tell you, down to the area last year, my uncle dropped out. And I went bury him. And my uncle have money, but based on the love we have for him and his family, them bury him. Yeah. I tell you. I have a picture of Mr. Owen and them two daughters, them. Yeah. Yeah. I tell you, Sir Virgin, I could never fall for PMP. From a youth, I'm born with a brain. Yeah, man. I'm born with a brain. I know wrong from right, and I know good from evil. You understand? The minute I see a jiff in a evil, I would prefer never. And when I see, oh, them behave and them a jiff in a evil, I take myself without them, they don't even realize. Yeah. Because both of them must tell you and the truth. I know a police when I grow up, because I'm a youth I grow up. I love the police. I love the police. And my father make me not join it, because he said to me, say, me too strident, and me no hold back nothing, and them are going to kill me. And my father tell me not to join it. He said, a police will kill you. Because you, my father said, me know you out of all and everything. You don't hold back nothing. Right? And he said, you're not going to join no police force. And him take me in a construction. Yeah. And why I mean a construction, me demonstrate youth and promotion and try to do my little thing, but it differ from it because me realize say the man them who have the link, I criminal them. And half point tell myself to stay from them. Me are the only man ever got half point here. Me. When security may come there, he said to me say, half point let's say him. Him now alone artist to come there. You must be special. Yeah, man. I can't call name to you, but him tell me to stay far from them. And when I mean man when me realize and produce me. Back then him said no. He said me used to be among him and take me myself. Don't go there. Find the money and go do your thing. You know? He tell me straight and say them will kill you. Yeah. He said I take me myself. You know? And I realize say, and that's why you don't notice. I do a video there, and I tell them someone notice. The 98% of the artists them are PMP, and majority of them don't have no money because a criminal produce them, and a criminal invest in them, and then pocket everything for themselves. Some of them dead and can't bury themselves. Some of them sick in the hospital and can't finance them bill. Yeah. So me see it go. A very few might have 2 shillings right now. I just them know these artists have money because them smarter than them. You know? Yes. Them know these artists you can't play with them and their money. Them got their money in their hand themselves. Yes.
True. Yeah. After me do this, after me don't talk to you, I'm going to tell you what you have to do, and we mention what more you have to do. No, I'm not talk to you, but you're supposed to have a clue. How will I say to you? In other words, this session must be heard. So I start talking now, probably, you know? Yes.
Yeah. I know you get it. This session must be heard.
Alright, my boss.
Yeah,
Blessed love, man.
So, and take care of yourself.
You too.
As Perkins would have said, keep on doing what you're doing, Sammy. You're gonna find that you're ruined, Sammy.
Yeah, alright. Boy, me cut out, Rasta, may I tell you, you know?
Look here. God will reward you, my boss, not man. Man can't reward you for you. You can't tell it. No man can reward you for you. You don't want no money. It attach the money get funny.
Yes, sure.
Money get funny.
Boy, man, I tell you, it's sad. It's sad the direction. You know, the man the man is trying to bring back the country. And
one thing we tell about, I must tell you before we go. You recognize that although him have some issues,
yes,
you know that he's trying. Me glad say you see that.
Yeah, man, he might try, man. He might try, but he might have some people around him and him thing now. You understand that? Look here.
Yeah.
You see, him wife. He might tell you say, I'm wife are the real. Him wife play a major role in him life, you know. You understand?
I said that in the video that me done. Believe me, sir, reporter. I said it in the other video that I done. I said Andrew Owner's wife is him driver.
Yeah, man. Juliet, you understand what I'm saying? And I'm telling you, sir, right now, Jamaica, Andrew Owner's can't smile up with these people and pretend kumbaya.
He's not supposed to.
When people were planning to kill you, planning to overthrow your government from America, using what name? Wilfred Rattigan, Rupert Francis, Herbert Nelson, Wayne Ugleson, and all of them people that overthrow the government, for mash up the economy, for make the white man become prime minister. You can't smile at them people that, that's what I tell you, say, it's, honestly, it's sad to see what is happening to our country as Jamaican, to see Jamaican people, they are real traitors. All of these things, the white man has done to our country. And the people, them still licky people, them look here. What I found out with this election is that majority of the popular vote go to the Jamaica Labour Party. So we have more decent people than the criminal minded people. Them. Even all the woman named Jess, we beat the man named slowly. The reason why I never do all the video against her is because I had expect the people them down there so for stay with the man. Then look here, I am the one that begged the people them to vote for against Kern Spencer Kai Matif, you know. I know the people them, you know. I used to work down there, you know. The people you see down there, sir, them people there, you know, in it from the, which part the woman win. Them love me like how God love, like how Jesus love little children, you know. That's how them people that love me, you know. Okay. When me a young police, you know, them telling me I wear size 28 pants, you know. When I most notorious criminal about there, you know, and me lick him down, you know. As a little maga youth, you know. How you mean? People stand up on the hill them and watch a shootout with me and the boy, and I'm lick him away. One boy bag and pan a bad police, bag and pan a Motiscat a detective inspector no me pen. The man there him come from Johnson, the man there more PMP than Michael Manley, you know. Them the man there, the man there my cousin them grew up together and them thing, you know. Then the man there criminal minded police, you know. And all him run for police vehicle, you know. And I see him boy one time, man. When everything done, man, the people them lift me up in a ear. You ever watch movie yet and when you see somebody win like a fight?
Yeah.
Them lift me up in a ear, you know, man. May I tell you, you know, people them say, baddest police this day ever see, you know. Them tell you a size 28 pants me I wear, you know. So even although years or decades ago and them thing, like people still talk about me down there, you know. Cause them say one thing with the police and a local police and them bad and brave, you know. When the shooting starts, you know. Before I was supposed to go out there, you know, and I end up on the tour we go out there, you know. And guess what? I'm the youngest police at police station. I was the youngest police. 4 hours there, I'm the youngest police. And yet still I'm the youngest police. I'm here to lead the other man to go out there. The other 2 police that was there, one of them used to have mobile reserve. Him say I go smoke cigarette. I tell him, say, Virgin, where I go smoke cigarette for? A criminal, we I go deal with, you know. You understand? I say I go like a bar, like a drink, we I go drink. Him say no, I go, so me give him the SMG. You understand?
Yeah.
Then the other police now him get marksman and a theme batch, you know, him graduate with the deputy commissioner of police when he Warren Clark. Him a Warren Clark and the police will lock up the policeman that kill him, the policeman named Noel, the one that killed him girlfriend, Donnelly. The policeman,
Maitland.
Maitland, the policeman lock up Maitland, him name Winston on. Him and this policeman a batchmate, and named Paul Garcia. Him a top shot, him get top shot for him batch, you know. I 4 with it there, you know. Yeah. I'm a youngest police. Him Garcia, I've seen a police by 2 years for me. The other police about 10 years, and then the special about 12 years. My youngest police. And when we forgot the 2 of them, the one named Garcia live in Canada now, with him lied self, him say, I go for Egypt for use it lit down. I say, I eat that. I say, I must say country you come from, a jungle me born and growing up. I never see no police. I never see no police I use a Jeep for shoot no, for use it down a gun. I say, I watch too much movie. And me realize no, man, I show them coward. So me go there, cause them hear the boy, cause them afraid of him, police afraid of the boy. Me you understand what I'm saying? Me glad for the challenge, cause me say I go send the boy to the departure alone this morning. You understand? And me go out there and them thing and you know, and when the smoke clear and them thing, the people them lift me up in the ear, man, like you understand? So them love me. You understand? I'ma do the video. Yeah, man, I'ma do the video and them thing, and if you know, and the people them say, boy, I should just remind them about cause the girl when named Jess, she not denounced the killing of the labor right them, the boy. You understand?
Yeah.
Why me no know? Education is paramount to one them thing, and you know, but I'd expect slowly to win. You know, I never know say people them gonna vote for her because she a criminal, you know, just herself, you know. The PMP party itself is a criminal organization, you know. So something have to be done about it. But I mean, I'd expect say the, you know, the based on what happened. This man born in Jamaica. That for sure is we have traitors amongst us, you know. We have maroons amongst us, you know, in Jamaica, you know. We sell we out, you know. And that is what happened. When you have people who are for you to be a PMP, for you to be a supporter of PMP, first you have to love criminality. You have to love criminality. And you have to love crime.
Well, let me say this to you. Why me have the problem with Mark Bowling? And Mark Bowling has the real problem now. Are the traitors them who put him there?
Yes, man. No, because you have to understand too. Look here. Is a boy, you know, so them detect down, you know, so YouTube detect down the 5 video them though. And one boy named Omar Ibanks responsible for him become the leader of the opposition, you know that? It depends on the channel. Omar Ibanks, the same boy involved in killing a Tyson, the councillor.
Oh, okay, I see. Yes, I speak about it before.
So you're the man of boss, you're the man of boss. Both in a conversation. So one boy named Phipps, the boy named Phipps, one boy named Gary Phipps from Britain, or a bad man. Well, Gary Phipps said to him, say, feed them done, do the baps and fat fuck. Them, him a feed them boss. So you understand?
Yeah.
Remember say I'm Mark Golding send them 2 boys from Film constituency, you know, over there, you know, for kill thing, you know, Tyson, you know, Tyson for give Omar Banks is seeking a convicted drug dealer that too, you know, and deported, you know.
Ja.
Okay.
Yes. But I mean, I tell you.
The Prime Minister have only power work for the one thing that them all them are gonna fix. All them are gonna fix. All they are going to fix this problem. At them cause it, you know. You open the floodgates of criminals and now one in a parliament. A convict. This a man, you know. Remember say man, no, hey. One thing still, you know, with Isaac Buchanan don't respect nobody, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, he don't respect law and order, you know, man. You understand? Isaac Buchanan have secret for people who we up in our society because them involved in them rear admiral behavior. I see him.
Them always have force, you know. Rear admiral them, and them always have strong back it even, man.
Yeah, but if you have morals and all of them things, you know, you understand?
Yeah. Why me I tell you? Why I feel the Prime Minister work, him alone can't do it.
Why them not listening, you know, because a long time I've been warning them about Isaac Buchanan and this. It's on the channel.
Them should have used the law that them have to oppose him from day one.
Number one, the man shouldn't be even if he become a lawyer, because if he become a lawyer, if he become an officer of the court, first you're supposed to have integrity. You're supposed to have character. You're supposed to have ethics, decency, and truthfulness. There's no honest criminal, none.
Yeah, and that's what I was saying with Vibes Cartel thing. Them should have opposed him from then. But them know him can't represent him.
No. Hey, look here. I know Isaac Buchanan Vibes Cartel get where. At time Tavares Vincent.
I agree with you.
At time Tavares, I don't know, PMP is a labor right. Help Vibes Cartel forget because him know what was. Yeah, him know the law as the back of him and. You understand?
Okay. I don't know Isaac, but I was saying that was Bert Samuels.
No, man, Bert Samuels. Bert Samuels.
Behind closed door, eh?
That was no. Bert Samuels help him out with the murder with the murder with Brian Lego Sykes. That's among the first brown paper bag we know of exchange between judge and lawyer. The murder case there, the murder case where you understand where the prosecutor and try to use the statements them, the witness statements them for them try Vibes Cartel, and Bert Samuels get involved. Bert Samuels was him lawyer, and I saw a brown paper bag. Was passed. Enough people don't know still, you know. There's a liar with the Dangan still named Valonita Roberts, you know. Many people. Yeah, many people don't know, so she was a very close friend of mine. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. She was a very close friend of mine and them thing then. You know. So I don't know that I only case Bert Samuels Vibes Cartel with the case where them where money pass and all of them thing there, you know.
Well, my brother, I will keep in touch with the man because as I know.
Boy, this
like me say, I'm happy for the victory, but at the same time we have work to do. These men not supposed to be in parliament, bro.
I pay a criminal, man. You understand what I'm saying? You know, well, the only thing I can go try my very best from what you understand what I'm saying? And you know, and for these people, the things that has been happening to the country and the crime, them people, hey, trust me. You see, let me tell you now. You see, like for me, I'm a practical person, you know, and the thing is that now, for sure the Jamaican people, them the criminal-minded people, them were voted for the criminal them in the PMP. If these people want to show them true self, I'm proud of what they have done. You know, my advice to them, to all of the PMP, them and them thing there, and the labor right them, just put the flag them by your house and them thing there. You understand?
True.
Yeah. Show who you are and them thing there, because you have two kind of people in Jamaica. One that are criminal minded and the other against criminal. Labor rights, you know. If you look, you know, labor them against the criminal in Jamaica, you know. I got them vote for law and order, you know. Remember say April 29, you know, PMP show you which side and you know, them against the police, you know. Them show you that, you know. So that's why me no want nobody will tell me say them a PMP. Me no want you come talk to me or tell me nothing. Cause you're a criminal. April 29th is the day that's supposed to echo in the annals of Jamaica's history, when the PMP show the Jamaican people that they're for criminals and people vote for them. So you say from your PMP, me no want you come tell me nothing on them thing there. Cause me don't, You don't tell no come tell me about this no come tell me about no what about. When it come on to criminality, me no excuse. For you support the PMP, you're a criminal. I just saw it go. So me no want you around me and me no want nothing to do with you. Period. No if nor buts. April 29, the PMP show Jamaica. Any police with me you know, I know say you're a PMP, me no want nothing to do with you, you're a criminal. April 29th. Yeah man.
As a Jamaican, I must say congratulations and thanks to the honest police them.
Yes, well look here, me say a brother and them thing, me I call him a brother him a Andrew in this guy school, the man left from foreign. Him in a police, you know, left from foreign and go down go vote, you know. And him post and say boy my vote not go in vain, you know. Left from foreign, the man I'm a senior man. So any police and them thing that were a PMP, me no want you come talk to me and them thing because you support criminal. You can't come tell me nothing. April 29, the PMP. April 29.
You support a criminal.
Yeah man, you're a criminal man. April 29 man. So anybody where you know will vote for PMP. Me no want nothing to do with you. You're a criminal.
True.
Because for you're a criminal you're against the progress of the country. April 29th. That's all you want to know.
Alright,
April 29 is a day that any decent Jamaican supposed to know. That is a date when the PMP decides them assure the world that they are for criminals. So me no want nothing for your PMP and you tell me after April 29 you're a PMP, me no want nothing to do with you. Nothing. Because you're a criminal. I have never met an honest criminal before.
Never.
You understand? Me a family were a criminal and all them things they were involved in, and even them kill all them friend. Me have a cousin where you understand. Even all the police, even all the police were kill all my cousin, you know, when you January and Porter, you know. You know, so him used to kill people for Rev, you know, and the 90s crew, you know. I know so Rev send all police, PO and ex-police, if he kill the same police where kill my cousin. And you see police get shot. Even the police where Rev sent for go kill him. Him a PMP, you know, and him related to me understand, you know. Me don't know him, you know. And the police were him shot with. Well, I am not going to call myself a prophet, but I can tell you that Jamaica is in more trouble now more than ever. You know, so the dumb of them cannot see that because them can't think. Now we are no longer known for the land of food and water. We are no longer remembered for reggae, athletic or cultural pride. Now we are branded across the world as a land of guns, drugs and criminal lawmakers. When investors hear the name of Jamaica, they don't think of opportunity, they think of corruption. When tourists see our flag, they don't think of a paradise, they think of danger. When our children migrate overseas, they don't carry pride in their accent, they carry shame for our homeland that has allowed killers and drug dealers to rise into parliament. We are not seen as a country with problems to solve, we are seen as a country that has surrendered to crime. And worse, we are exporting that image to the next generation, teaching them that crime is not just tolerated but celebrated. If this continues, Jamaica will not just be in trouble, it will be written off by the world as a failed state. So whether or not you want to believe it, you're looking at the faces of people who are the only person up there that is not tied to criminality and killing of Jamaicans is the Prime Minister Andrew Wallace. You're looking at a man, the white man from Britain, Mark Gomabir Golden, responsible for almost killing of 50 people from my community, and the people then vote for him overwhelmingly. That's why I tell you that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. You're looking at a man, Ian Eales, based on information received and obtained, he's responsible. Yes, allegedly responsible for the killing of John Euxter, the American. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. Then you have Dayton Campbell, they call him Satan Campbell. Isaac Buchanan, the twice convicted court dealer. Angela Brownberg, whose father was Jamaica's most wanted man. Tony Brown. I say it already and I say again. Angela Brownbrook, there's no reason for you to deny your father. It's simple as this. If you are not a criminal-minded person, in which you are, all you have to simply say you can't choose your father. But for you to be lying, telling lie and dead people that they're your father, that is, you know, if you can lie about your own parent, your father, then what else would you lie about? Jamaica is in more trouble now, more than ever, whether or not you want to believe it. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.